Hey, hello, my name is Tarun Agarwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, for the very first time, I'm going to share with you complete details about info product funnels, which I use myself to build my network marketing business 100% online, which gives me 100% passive income. Okay, 100% passive income even when I am not working. So make sure that you watch this complete video, because this here I'm going to reveal all my secrets on how I make money consistently even while I'm not working. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to show you. Let me share my desktop first so that you can understand what I'm about to tell you. So only by implementing this info product funnel, which I'm going to draw all this funnel for you, only by implementing this funnel consistently, I have made, okay, 1.38 lakh rupees. Okay, and this sale is purely in passive mode. So in what is info product funnel in network marketing business? This is an advanced way of building business so that we generate revenue, we generate income consistently. So what I have done is I have created multiple products. So first of all, I generate traffic, and then I pitch my info product first, but which is a mini digital product. So you can see 1.38. Also, I have also launched another info product recently, because of which I was able to generate 34,000 rupees sale. Okay, and this is pure passively. Okay, how I am able to do this and what exactly is my strategy, let me share with you. So make sure that you watch this complete video. So let me switch off my video also. So just focus on what I'm sharing with you today. Okay, so let's first of all discuss about what is how life of a network marketer looks. Okay, so you all understand now that network marketing is 100% online, and people are now focusing on building business online. And there are so many online courses, there are so many people who are training you how to use social media, how to do webinars and all those things. But don't you think that what network marketers are doing, they are doing webinars? Yes or no? They are doing webinars, they are doing cold calls. Okay, and some people they are consistently they are doing DMs to their target prospect. And some people they buy leads from some agencies. Even there are some people who run Facebook and Google ads to generate leads, right? So and there are some people, what they do, they create content. Okay, so content creation is what I suggest, but all these things are also, mostly people do all these things. So people do webinar, all these things. Okay, and sometimes they do one-to-one meeting also. Now what happens? Don't you think that after cold call, DMs, buying leads, advertisement, content marketing, ultimately what happens? To give exposure for our business, we do webinars, or sometimes we do one-to-one meeting. Got it? But then we get there are two possibilities. We get a yes or we get a no. Okay, after watching all these things, okay, finally a prospect may say yes or he may say no. If it is yes, then we are very happy, no problem. But don't you think that right now at least 80 to 85% people, they say no to us? Okay, they say no to us, and that is a normal scenario of sales. Same happens in network marketing also. So 80 to 85% people, they say no. And when so many people say no to us, it actually gives us an emotional trauma. Yes or no? It happens with me, it happens with everyone. So initially, when I used to build network marketing business, when I used to get a no, I used to get this emotional trauma. Okay, why that person has said no to me? And ultimately, as a network marketer thinks I have wasted so much of my time, so much of my effort, even so much of my money to follow with a prospect. Yes or no? We invest actually so much of time, effort, and money to do the follow up and finally to convert that person. Now, another thing here is the prospect decision cycle. Okay, prospects, you can say decision cycle. I'm just writing cycle here, is too long here. Would you agree with me? Using chat option, comment option, you just type I agree. Prospect decision cycle is too long in such a way. You do DMs, then they will say, okay, what is this? Then you invite them for a one-to-one meeting, then you invite for a webinar, then they will start ignoring you, then you will do and again meeting, follow. It is a too long process. And ultimately, when you get a no, you think that it is a wastage of time, effort, and money, but that is a reality. Very few people say yes, most of the people say no. Now just imagine, now this is what I want you to imagine this. Just imagine that what if before this decision, okay, people are taking this decision in yes or no. What if before taking this decision, you make some money, okay, whether it is USD or rupees, before, even before showing presentation to your prospect, they pay you. Don't you think after that, whether they say yes or no, it will not give you such kind of emotional trauma, which usually happens, because you have already made some money from this prospect, which means how to make money from a prospect to whom you have not actually presented your business, you have not pitched your business. So just imagine that this prospect comes to you, he pays to you, and then you pitch your MLM business. Would you like to learn about it? This is exactly how I do this, how I am building my network marketing business. And that's why I'm able to generate so much of sales purely passively, okay? Whether they join my business or not. Now my network marketing business is now, you can say, to some extent, it is now automated, because I'm dealing with quality people. I'm dealing with quality people. And even if they say no to me, no problem. I'm still making money from those people. How? If you're interested, if you're keen to learn this, so just type tell me quickly. Just type tell me in the comment option below. And but this is an advanced level of building business. This is how, this is where info product funnel comes into picture. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you more details about info product funnel, which I run. Okay. Let's discuss about it. Okay. So just listen to me very, very carefully. You need to be very, very careful here. Okay. So what I do is I generate traffic. Okay. I generate traffic through Facebook, through Instagram, through YouTube, no paid advertisement. Okay. So there are different ways to generate traffic. Traffic means people who are watching your content. Like right now, you are watching my content. That's a traffic. Now, what next? What I do is I actually pitch a lead magnet, and for that I have created a very good looking landing page. Okay, now just imagine that this is a landing page, and here I give a very solid message. Okay, so let's take an example. I give a very solid message as a hook, a video which plays here. Okay, and I capture name, email ID, and WhatsApp number, and a submit button. Got it? And we can call it as a landing page where I'm giving you a lead magnet. Lead magnet is something which I'm giving you absolutely free. It may be a free webinar, automated webinar. It can be a free ebook. So this way, so generate traffic, then invite people to download something for free. Okay, something for free, which is useful. Okay, even if there is something which is not useful, nobody is going to take it for free also. Okay, so it should be very useful, valuable. It should have a very good hook, very good video message, and crystal clear, you can say, next action steps. Okay, so when a person downloads this lead magnet, what else? Next step is, what I do after this landing page, if a person clicks on submit button to get access to this free lead magnet, then what I do is I then show a thank you page. But this thank you page is exactly not just saying thank you, just check your email. No. What I do here is I give OTO number 1. What is number 1? Number 2, I will let you know. Just wait. So what is OTO? OTO means one-time offer. So I generated traffic, a person then opts in for my lead magnet, which is valuable for the other person. Then I pitch them in this, after the submit button. Everybody now needs to know, okay, what next? How will I download it? Okay, so this is the thank you page, which is automatically which opens up on the click on the submit button. And in thank you page, then I sell something through a video message with a good quality sales page, hook, testimonies, all those things. And here I sell something of just rupees. I mean, it should not be a high ticket selling. It should be something which is, you can say it is a mini offer, which should be worth below 500 rupees. Okay, so for example 499 rupees. So I play a video. Okay, there is a video which I've uploaded here, and it very clearly says, okay, thank you very much, I got your details, check your email, but before you close this thank you page, I want to give you a one-time offer. OTO means one-time offer. If you close this page, this one-time offer will be gone. Okay, so understanding my target audience, and I create a product. I create a product which is worth rupees 10,000 or more, high in value, but I sell it at an offer of just 499 rupees. Okay, now I give two options here. Okay, two buttons. One is no, and another button is yes, I want this. Okay, I want this, I don't want this. Okay, now after this one-time offer, person may click on yes button. If he clicks on yes, then what happens? If he clicks on no button, then what happens? Then we have to design a proper flow, proper funnel for this, right? If he says yes, I want this, this video should be around 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, if he says yes, I want this, in that case, what I do, I open payment page. Okay, payment page. So sometimes I collect payment through Razorpay, Instamojo, or sometimes for international client, Stripe or PayPal. Okay, so these are the payment gateways. So if he clicks on yes button, then it automatically redirects to the payment page where he pays 499. When he pays 499, I give access to this digital product. This is a digital product. Okay, I give access to this digital product instantly. So I can write here instant access. Okay, so this 499 rupees product, instantly he get access on his email after the payment. And once the payment is done, instant access. And also after instant access, then I nurture on email, auto email sequence. I have already written auto email sequence. And then I invite that person for a one-to-one meeting so that I can pitch my MLM business in the one-to-one meeting. Okay, got it? So traffic generation, free lead magnet, one-time offer. If he says yes, then it goes like this. But what if he says no? If he says no, then I open another page, another landing page on the click button of no. And now I give here another video, which is one-time offer number 2. And here I say, okay, I understand that in my previous page, you didn't take action and it was just rupees 499. But now I just want to reconfirm from you, why didn't you take it? It is a one-time offer. Okay. Now, as you have clicked on the no button, I want to give you, only for this one-time offer. Last time I'm giving this to you. You can take it 50% off. Okay, take it 50% off, and then I create a proper sales pitch here, 50% off, and click on this submit button. Book now or buy now, something like this. So if he clicks on yes button, fine. If he clicks on no button, then I give another offer. Okay, this is a kind of negotiation which I am giving, and this is everything is working in auto mode. Okay, so if he gives, I give 50% off, but in one condition, then you have to book a one-to-one meeting right now. You have to book a one-to-one meeting with me. If you book one-to-one meeting by just paying rupees 99. So what I want time of the other person. Okay, so if he says no, then I can here play a video saying that, okay, I understand that you didn't take decision. I want to offer this at 50% off, but right now you even don't have to pay 50%. Right now, what you have to do, just pay 99 rupees and book a one-to-one call with me, one-to-one meeting. And by just paying 99 rupees, okay, I asked the person to just pay 99, and by paying 99 rupees, this is a payment page I open, payment of rupees just 99. Okay, when he pays rupees 99, then I automatically open calendly booking system, calendly booking. Okay, where he picks up my time slot, and when he picks up the time slot, automatically he gets Zoom details. Okay, automatically he gets Zoom details. Now, when I do my one-to-one meeting, okay, in one-to-one meeting, in 30 minutes one-to-one meeting, I establish connection with the other person, and if he looks good, okay, then I pitch my story, I pitch my MLM business, and if he is not interested in MLM business, no problem, I'm giving his 50% off on my digital product. That's it. Got it? So just imagine, this is an entire funnel, and just imagine now, even in this scenario number 2, even now, if he clicks on no button, suppose if I have no button and yes button here, this is yes. Okay, if he says yes, it goes like this. If he says no, then also no problem, because ultimately he came here for the lead magnet only. Okay, so if he says no, then what happens? Okay, fine, not an issue. Then as he has already opted in for the lead magnet, something for free he wanted, okay, a digital product, free digital product. Actually, he came here for this, okay. Now, if he says no to everything, now finally, what I do, I have written a 5 days email sequence, 5 days email sequence, which is automatically triggered to him. And on the first email, he gets access to this lead magnet. He can download it immediately. And also for next 5 days, I nurture that person through email, where I give more value, share my story, and also again invite that person to book a one-to-one meeting with me. If he ignores one-to-one meeting, then I again try to pitch 499 rupees product. If he again ignores this, and I again try to give 50% off. If he again ignores this, and I try to give one-to-one meeting offer. If he again ignores this, then I ultimately, what I do, I sometimes what I do, I share, okay, share my content. I share my YouTube content on email, so that this is the perfect way to nurture a prospect who is there in the email list. Okay, so this is the entire funnel. This is the entire funnel, which is known as info product funnel. Because in this info product funnel, what exactly I am doing is, I'm inviting a person to take something for free, and now I'm giving something which is a one-time offer, which is super beneficial for the other person, for my target audience. Obviously, we have to design this one-time offer. We have to design this lead magnet, understanding our target audience. If your target audience are employees, if your target audience are affiliate marketers, then you have to design your lead magnet, your one-time offer in such a way so that person should not feel 499 as a big amount. It should be high in value. Okay, high in value, low in cost. So that is how you can design a mini offer. If he says no, again selling something. If he says yes, good and good. And ultimately, again, you pitch your one-to-one meeting, and in one-to-one meeting, again, you pitch your MLM business. Got it? If he says no, again, we are pitching our one-to-one meeting, and we are giving 50% off. Again, if he says no here, not an issue. We are nurturing him on email. Ultimately, we got his details. That is what we want. And to run this entire funnel, if you are able to generate this traffic organically, just understand, organically, then what is the cost to acquire a prospect? It is absolutely zero rupees. Okay, because you are able to generate organic traffic. So that's why what I do, I have created such kind of, I have designed such kind of funnel for me, because of which I'm able to generate consistent income even while I'm not working. So this is for the very first time I'm revealing this publicly on YouTube, that I have created many info products. These are short trainings, training modules. These are some templates. These are some email files. These are some tutorials. So these kind of small many products I have created for my target audience. And this way I am able to generate money even from those people who have not actually watched my presentation. Okay, and now if a person says no to everything, still I don't have any problem, because at least I'm making money. Okay, so only by promoting this, only by running this kind of funnel, okay, using a tool called Kajabi, I'm able to generate around 1.4 lakh rupees only from one product. And the product I launched recently last week, last week. So in just 10 to 12 days, I'm able to generate revenue of more than 35,000 in just 10 to 12 days. Okay, I take collection from multiple areas, okay, multiple payment gateways. So I know how to integrate Kajabi with payment gateways, so that everything runs in automation. Okay, I hope you understand. This is known as info product funnel. Info product funnel means where you are not directly pitching your MLM business, you are generating traffic. Then you are pitching your free lead magnet, to simplify this. And then what you're doing, you are actually selling, or instead of selling, we should write pitch your digital product, DP. I'm writing DP here. Okay, so generate traffic, then offer a free lead magnet, then pitch a digital product which is high in quality, high in value for the other person, irresistible, and generate revenue from here. If he says yes, then go here. If he says no, then design a funnel for this. If he says yes, then good, pitch this. And if he buys it, then you can ask that person to apply to work with you. Okay, apply to work with you. This is how digital marketers are also doing it. Ask that person to apply to work with you on emails. Okay, on email. And if they apply to work with you, then you book a Zoom meeting with them. Okay, book a Zoom meeting, and after booking a Zoom meeting, then you pitch your MLM system, not MLM business. You just need to understand is we should not pitch directly our company or the business. We should pitch our MLM system, because this is the system. As a leader, I am using a tool called Kajabi, but my team member, they don't use Kajabi. What I tell them is, I am your leader. Okay, if you come to my team, this entire system I'm going to give you. You don't have to create a digital product. Now you might be thinking, okay, how to duplicate this? So I don't say other people to create a digital product. There are some people in my team who are able to create digital product, that's fine. But there's many people who will not be able to create any digital product. So why not, if I create a digital product and they pitch this digital product to their target audience, and finally they make some commission, they make some money, even with before showing our plan, network marketing plan. So this way, see, most of the network marketing MLM teams, okay, most of the MLM teams are nothing, they are just training departments, that's it. Okay, everybody will say, okay, join my team, join my team. Why? Because my team has a very good training system. So MLM teams are nothing, just a training system. But your MLM team should not be a training system, it should be a money making opportunity. So this is a system which you have to sell. Okay, so people are interested to make money, they're not interested in emotional drama which is there in network marketing. So this is a funnel. Okay, so this is the info product funnel which I'm talking about. So all this kind of hustling is actually not required if you know how to set up a very, very highly profitable funnel for your network marketing business. Okay, I hope you found some value here. Okay, I understand that you may find you might find it little technical. Okay, because I've drawn all these things for you, but this is for the very first time I am sharing all these details publicly on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now my question is, this is the very first time I've shared this with you. Are you interested to are you interested to implement this? Are you interested to have the same kind of system for your business? Are you interested in this? I can guarantee you, okay, I'm saying that you can make at least 50,000 rupees only by more than 50,000, at least 1 lakh. See, only by implementing these kind of funnels, I'm able to generate sales of more than 2 lakh rupees, to more than 2 lakh rupees every month. Okay, outside network marketing. Okay, through network marketing also, that is my main business. But to build my network marketing business, I first pitch my info product. This is the first selling, this is second selling, and then when they book 120, this is also selling, and ultimately when they join network marketing, this is also revenue. This is also revenue. Got it? So how many of you really want this kind of system to be implemented for you? Are you interested? So just type I am interested, because this is for the very first time I have revealed all these things publicly. Okay, initially in my community DNA club, I discuss about this in detail. Okay, and there are some DNA club members who are interested to learn this and to have the same kind of system for their own team. Okay, so if you're interested for this, so just type I want this. Okay, I'm telling you that we are into 2021, and maybe this is super advanced level of building network marketing business. And if you observe some network marketers who are outside India, they are doing exactly the same. Okay, they are pitching MLM business. At the end, first they are pitching their digital product which is useful for the other person. As a network marketer, we are actually into education sector. Okay, we are into the business of educating people, building trust, and also once people start trusting us, then they will be interested to build business with us also. Okay, people will join network marketing business with you because as somebody who has created these digital products, your customer will actually join network marketing business to get access to you. Okay, I again repeat, people will join network marketing business with you to get more access for you, more access to you. Okay, so they want you as their personal mentor, they want your access. Okay, so that's why they will join network marketing with you. And if they don't join, still you make money. Okay, if you're interested to learn this, to know more or implement this for your own business, in that case I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you more details about it. Okay, so stay tuned and just understand this entire what I have here for you. Okay, just understand this. So info products funnel, this is basically designing a funnel for network marketing business. This is a super profitable business, MLM business funnel, where you generate traffic, you pitch your lead magnet first, Then you have one-time offer 1, one-time offer 2. If he says yes, you have a proper strategy defined. If he says no, you have a strategy defined. Even if he says no to the second offer, still you have a strategy to nurture, and finally then again follow up through emails. This is known as passive follow-up. Okay, so just imagine that your prospect pays you before watching a business presentation. That is all about info products funnel. Okay, again, super advanced MLM funnel, and this is the next big thing. Okay, got it? So you might be thinking about some questions. Number one question can be in your mind that I don't have audience. You have a good audience, you have a YouTube channel, you can do it, but I don't have any audience influence. Don't worry, I am going to solve this problem also. You might be thinking, I don't know what digital product to create. You might be thinking, okay, I don't know how to create digital product, what digital product, who is my target audience, all those kind of things. Don't worry. You might be thinking, I'm not technical, I don't have tools knowledge. Don't worry about it. You might be thinking, I don't know payment gateways and funnel tool integration. Okay, how to integrate automatic payment and all those things. Okay, you don't know about this, no worries. What if, just imagine, what if I create this funnel for you? I am not offering any course. Okay, just imagine, what if I create this entire funnel which is working for me? I want to give this entire system to you. Not only give, I will implement this entire system for you. What if I do this for you? Would you be interested to know more? Just type yes. Okay, next is, what if I create a digital product for you? I create a digital product. Just imagine, even you don't have to create a digital product which you have to sell. Say for example, I create it for you, understanding your target audience. I create a digital product for you, and then you own it. I will not take any commission margin from that. I create it, you own it. What if I create a lead magnet, landing page, and sales page for you? All the technical stuff is handled by me. And what if I write emails for your prospect? Okay, automated emails, even if he says no to everything, automated emails to nurture them, and again pitch your one-time offer, or you pitch your mini digital product. Okay, I write emails for you. And what if I integrate payment gateways with your funnel builder tool? What if all these things are handled by me? Just imagine the second point, I create a digital product. Okay, this is one thing for which people take so much of time, they procrastinate. Okay, so all these things, if I handle for you, would you be interested to get this from me? Just type I'm interested. This is worth rupees 1 lakh, because this demands effort from my end. I have a team of digital marketers. We are expert in network marketing. I've created a team, and we are expert in this. We have all the resources, we have all the knowledge and everything. Okay, we are expert in this, and this is worth rupees 1 lakh. This knowledge, this entire thing, I can give this entirely to you worth 1 lakh rupees, because this can save lots and lots of time, effort, and money for you. Got it? And this can make so much of money for you. Now, as I told you, in just 2 days, I was able to generate money, okay, around 14,000 rupees in just 2 days, and 100% passively. I made 1,38,000, 100% passively. No active sales, not pushing anyone. Just by watching this one-time offer, I got 1.38 lakh sales, and cost to acquire a customer for me is absolutely zero. Okay, so just imagine you build a super profitable MLM business, making money from prospects before actually pitching your business. And here is the step by step. Okay, step by step thing. If you pitch a free lead magnet, you suppose you get only 100 downloads, free lead magnet. Okay, out of those, only 10 people, suppose only 10% people, they buy your this mini offer. We suppose if we create a good quality sales page for you, good quality landing page for you, this ratio can also increase. I mean, we are expert in copywriting also. Okay, and suppose 10 out of 100 people buy, and suppose it is 299, 399, 499 rupees mini offer, and after that, then you pitch your MLM business. 100 people download it, 10 people buy this, and 1 person join MLM business out of 10, suppose. So this is a very good funnel. Okay, you're making money from MLM, you're making money from this mini offer also. Okay, so by implementing this, definitely you can make 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees every month if you implement this correctly. Okay, again I repeat, what if I create this funnel for you? Again I repeat, you don't have to create this funnel. You might have this these kind of objections, okay, resistances, I don't know all these things, okay, this is too technical, all these things. Okay, let me create funnel for you, let me create a digital product for you, for your customers. Okay, I will create it and you will own it. I create lead magnet, landing page, sales page, I write emails, and I integrate payment gateways. All these things will be done by our team. Okay, again I repeat, traffic, lead magnet, sales page 1, sales page 2, payment, calendly, okay, integration, and automated emails. This entire funnel. Also, I want to give you some extra bonuses. If you want to take this service, this is not a course, this is a service. If you want to take this service, then I will give you access to my DNA Gold bundle. Okay, this is a collection of some high quality courses. These are recorded courses. You can watch it anytime with a lifetime access. How to recruit people through webinar, digital coach blueprint, MLM system setup challenge, affiliate income blueprint, how to make money through some affiliate programs also along with network marketing business, MLM product retailing workshop, how to retail your MLM products online without convincing anybody, 24/7 support system through our private Facebook group, DNA partner program. You can make money by promoting DNA club also, at least 50%, up to 50% commission, content marketing mastery, how to create content which can actually generate lots and lots of sales and leads, and also lead generation mastery system. So this entire bundle you are going to get, this is worth rupees 1.25. I'm going to give you this absolutely free as a bonus if you take this info product funnel service from me. Okay, bonus number 2, I have an advanced level of I have advanced course also. I call it DNA Platinum, where you will get access to my recorded course on MLM automation by building funnels, MLM e-learning system for your team. Suppose you have a good team, then how to create an e-learning system. I give you all the tips and tricks. Okay, personal branding, duplication in network marketing, and automation without paid tool. But this automation without paid tool is basically using Google Sites, which I have now discontinued. So let's forget about it. So all these things also, this premium level course access also you will get. Okay, so monthly we do monthly meetup with all the platinum members. This is advanced level of building business. This is worth rupees 1.8 lakh. I'm going to give this also absolutely free as a bonus if you take this service. Okay. Also, I will take your interview. If you take our service of info product funnel, okay, it demands so much of time, effort from our side, but from your side, it is going to be a great solution, because these days, many people are not interested to learn these technical things. People are interested to that somebody do it for them. So if we implement all these things for you, then I will take your interview and I am going to promote your digital product on my YouTube channel and my podcast. Okay, so podcast and YouTube, I'm going to take your interview and I'm going to promote your digital product so that you generate sales very fast. Okay, next is I'm also going to give you another bonus, that is I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use Kajabi. I use a tool called Kajabi. You might be thinking which tool to use, how much is the investment for the tool. I'm going to give you a tutorial how to use Kajabi for free. Okay, it demands some monthly investment, but see, Kajabi is free for me. Okay, how? Because I have a proper system. I do some affiliate marketing for Kajabi, because of which I'm not actually investing money on Kajabi. Even I'm making money through Kajabi. Okay, and these things go in parallel with my network marketing business. My main business is network marketing, but this is through info product funnel. I'm making money from multiple sources. Okay, so I'm going to give you a tutorial on how this funnel building tool can be free for you. This is super bonus for you. Okay, so now info product funnel investment, let's talk straight to the point. 5 days. If you take this service, we are going to create all these things for you in just 5 days. And the cost right now, the cost is 19,700 one-time payment. Okay, and today when I am sharing this information with you, okay, so today is basically 7th of October. Today is 7th of October, and this offer is valid only till 30th of October. Till 30th of October. I'm not sure when you are watching this video, but if you're watching this video after 30th of October, I cannot guarantee that this price will be there, because this demands lots of time, effort from our side. So that's why initially we are going to take only first 10 people. So 30th October or first 10 people, whatever reach first, we are going to stop this, because we will not be able to handle more clients. Okay, so this is a done for you service where we will build this entire funnel for you. We will create product for you. We will do all these things, funnels, emails, landing page, sales page, we will write for you. Okay, and also you will get instant access to DNA Gold and Platinum if you pay 19,700. This is a one-time payment. Got it? So very clearly I have displayed everything, shared everything with you, but you don't have to pay 19,700 at one go. I'm going to give you excellent opportunity. Click on the link in this video description and you can just pay 2,000 right now, just to book yourself. Okay, if we get 10 bookings, okay, if we get 15 bookings, after getting 15 bookings, now what will happen next? Just pay 2,000 rupees so that we can understand that you have booked this. After paying 2,000 rupees, then okay, so let me again share this in a proper flow. Right now you are getting information about info product funnel through my YouTube video. you pay booking amount of 2000 right now, okay, by clicking on the link below. Then next, what will happen? If you pay 2000 rupees, I will give you my Calendly link so that you can book a one-to-one meeting with me. So I will do a one-to-one meeting with you. And in this one-to-one meeting, you can ask all your questions related to info product funnel. You can ask all kind of whatever kind of question you have. And after having this one-to-one meeting, if you decide to go ahead with info product funnel, then you can pay the remaining balance of 17,700, and we will instantly give you access to DNA courses, one-to-one meeting, whatever I have promised. We will give you all these things instantly. And after 5 days, then we will set up this funnel for you, and we will go live after 5 days. But after this one-to-one meeting, there might be a scenario that you will say, no, this is not for me. I don't want to go ahead with this funnel. In that case, if you say no, in that case, I will give you access to DNA mini course bundle. Okay, I'm not going to refund your money. Very clearly, I want to tell you, booking amount is 2000 rupees. If you, after this one-to-one meeting, if you decide no, if you decide not to go with the funnel setup service, in that case, I will give you my mini courses bundle, which is worth value 25,993. I'm going to give you this mini. These are mini courses. This is not DNA Gold. DNA Gold membership has much more quality stuff. Okay, this is also again quality. So you will, I will give you access to YouTube marketing for network marketing, how to generate leads, okay, lead generation, product detailing, Quora marketing, and webinar recruitment formula. So I give this at a very special offer at 2595 sometimes. But if you book this with 2000 rupees, I will give you this entire bundle at 2000 rupees with your booking amount. Got it? So there is nothing to lose for you. Okay, whether you will say yes, then also good. Whether you say no, then also you will get access to all these things with lifetime access. Got it? So this is how you have to go about it. This offer is valid till 30th of October 2021 only, for first 10 people only. And after that, if you're watching this video after 30th of October, I cannot guarantee you the price, because definitely my aim is to, because we are giving lots and lots of value here, and my aim is to take this product, okay, take this service to at least 1 lakh rupees product. Okay, so definitely I'm going to charge more, because I'm going to give you more value. And if I'm able to help you to create a funnel which can give you which can generate so much of money for you, definitely if you're getting value in terms of money, then definitely I'm going to charge you more and more. But right now it is only 19,700, valid only till 30th of October. Click on the link below this video description and book it now by just paying 2,000 rupees before 30th of October, or if you're in, and also first 10 people. Okay, so just hurry up, do this now, book your slot by just paying 2,000, and book a one-to-one meeting with me after that. Okay, so all the best, and book your seat for this info product funnel. See you then. Thank you.